Thank you for watching. Hello, it's Amin another time, and I'm back for the third episode of this series of Python programming. And now we will go through the if, for, and loop statements. Last time we have done some basic concepts of Python programming, and now we will go more into those statements, those basic statements. The first one is if statements. For example, let's say you enter an integer here. Let's say it's 24. You have this function which is input, which allows you to, and this is the message of your input here, and this is actually to take the integer of the input. You can just even take dot 0 and it will take the integer. So this one in here, we will take this value and we will give it. Okay, so it doesn't take this kind of value, dot 0, so it's mostly fine. So we'll take the 24. So we'll take x will be equal to 24, and we will evaluate this x. This is what this if statement is doing in here. So it's evaluating x. So in here we see if this x we have is smaller than 0, it's less than 0. If it's the case, we'll put x is equal to 0 and we'll print negative change to 0. If x is equal to 0, this is what is this equal. So those are like conditions. And if statements are like for conditions. So, and this one, it means like else if. We have like if, else, if, else. Later on we'll see it, else, and we will we go through these conditions and we apply. So else if x equal to 0, we print 0. Else if x equal to 1, we will print single. Else we'll print more. So if we run this, they will say it's more. So let's say here we will type minus 14, and here they will tell negative change to 0. Let's say here we'll type 1. They will say okay, single. So this is how basically those if statements work.